I am Haurokcham Anil, Secretary of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industries. In short, we were properly known as the MCCI in the state and in the northeast region of India. During the past 15 months, due to the ongoing situation, which begins from 3rd May of the 2013, there has been a severe effect in the economy of the state. By economy of the state, I mean the capital and in the satellite town, which is dependent on the capital city of Imphal. Can we just have a cut over here? Yeah. Okay. Like, this is the brief. Yeah. With the ban of internet in the state, there has been a severe effect in the Delhi transition in economy. Like, the economy has severely affected before with the law and order situations. But with the current impose of curfew in the state that happened in the past week, it is again severely affected to the Delhi economies of the state. Especially the marketers, the business class, which has been transacting their money through the internet, has been completely stopped. See, recently there has been a local news publication. There were hardly any case in the ATMs, even though they have money in their accounts. They can't do anything with the monies. That is the biggest problem. And in the other front, another big challenge is the student communities. See, like for taking an example, during the COVID times, when we are not allowed to walk out of their homes due to the lockdown, but there was an internet. There was an internet, free internet. I mean, the internet was okay. And using the platform, there was an education going on. But in the recent cases, when there was an imposing the curfew, the online education system, which is one of the flagship program of India, is now brings to complete halt, which affect a lot of students in the state. With the ongoing crisis and the imposition of curfews and ban on the internet, there has been a severe effect in the business communities. So we have heard a report from the reliable source that the GST collection of the state has been reduced to 28 to 30%, which is enormous effect in the economy of the state. So that is on the general purpose. So if we consider the recent curfew, we have estimated the loss of some around, say, 20 crores per day, including the Man City Imphal and the satellite town that is dependent on the Man City of the Manipur. So that is the complete loss in the business sector. So with that process, the radius of economy of the state is gradually decreasing day by day. And if this is continuous for another 1 or 2 years, we may in the complete collapse of the economy of the state.
What is your expectation in government and
expectation, like as a citizen of the place, we will like the intervention of the state government. We like to have a strong intervention from the union government to bring the law and order at earliest as possible in order to revive all those parameters in the works of life.